Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lard. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The recipe called for a generous amount of lard to be added to the pie crust for extra flakiness. Lard refers to rendered or melted animal fat, typically pork fat, used in cooking or baking to add flavor, moisture, or crispiness to food. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.